I show yarn information. We can use 1 to 3 millimeters hook. I use 3 millimeters hook. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining. Yarn over, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook into first chain. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, a slip stitch. Make a ring, a stitch first round in this ring. Make 1, 2 chains. Yarn over, go to this ring, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make chains and 1 double crochet in here. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over after 5 chains. Go to this ring, insert your hook, hide tail of yarn under a stitch. Pull up yarn, we have the yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over. Now we have 4 yarns on hook. Pull through 2 yarns together. In here we have 3 yarns. Yarn over, pull through all of them. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and repeat. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, hold yarn in here, pull up yarn, pull through. We have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, repeat. 1, 2, make a cluster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. Pull through all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over. Repeat. Pull up yarn. Pull through all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over. Go to this ring. Pull up yarn. Pull up yarn. Pull through all of them. I show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clusters in total in first round. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Go to top of first chains in here in first stitch we have 2 chains. Go to top of these chains, a slip stitch. Complete first round. In here go to these chains, first chains, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to this stitch, this chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to same chains, make 1 single crochet, skip this cluster, go to next chains, make 1 single crochet, add 1 chain, go to here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, make a chain, go to here, 1 single crochet, go to next chains, make a single crochet, add 1 chain and repeat, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, add 1 chain, 1 single crochet in here, 1 single crochet in next chain, add 1 chain, repeat like this for this round. I show in last stitch 1 single crochet, make a chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to same stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to top of this stitch, these chains in here, slip stitch. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of these stitches in here. In row 3 continue, make 1 2 3 chains, add 1 2 3 4 5 6 more chains, add 1 2 3, skip this stitch, go to top of this, I show cluster in first round, insert your hook, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 chains in total, go to top of this stitch in here, slip stitch, continue 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 chains, go to here, slip stitch, repeat like this. I made this stitch until here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 of these chains. In last stitch continue like this. In here we have 12 chains, in here in last stitch, continue, make 1 2 3 4 chains in here, yarn over 1 2 3 times. We have 4 yarns on hook. Go to top of this stitch, skip this stitch, go to top of first chains, insert your hook, pull up yarn. We have 1 2 3 4 5 yarns in here. Yarn over, add 1 chain in this yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns. Ayşe, continue from here. Ayşe, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this last stitch in here, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet. In total we have 3 stitches in here. Go to next chains, yarn over, go to here, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch in here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Go to next chains, yarn over, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Go to next chains and repeat like this, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet in these chains. I made third round until here. In first stitch we have 1 2 3 double crochet in this every stitch. In this chains we have 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet. Complete first I show a stitch like this. We make 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet in here, yarn over, go to first chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In here, for make this corner, add 1 chain, insert your hook into first chains, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Complete this corner.